Alright, let's go to work.
Thanks again, Heather.
Sweet.
You got my voicemail or my email.
Yeah, I didn't see the bottom.
Oh.
But why would they only have it so you can only have 4 together?
Well, that's really when it's so tight. That should have made me won't be the case, but I don't know.
Got the bags.
I don't really understand.
Went to Stub and Herbs last night, but the beer was not really what we had hoped. Not as many lift bridge selections as we would have liked. Morning. So went to Pracna's instead and got, there he is, smile. Nothing. So we got doing a little video. It's got 6-ounce samples of Plead the 5th Dark Horse Brewing Plead the 5th Eric's Ale by New Belgium, which was actually pretty darn tasty. I think I'm gonna have to buy some of that stuff. It's pretty sour, but also not full on like, oh look at that nice picture that I found somewhere. Not as full on as Lawfully. And the third one was Avery Maharaja. So to have those 3 samples in a flight for, I guess at that time it was happy hour, so it was, what, $7 for 3 6-ounce samples of that. Was pretty sweet. Alright, see you later.